Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ik Onkar Coding. In today's session, we discuss the application of stack. Uh, Basically, we have three types of notations to express any arithmetic expression. First one is infix notation. In this, operator is in between the operands. Another one is prefix notation. In this, operator are before the operands. Another one is postfix notation. In this, operators are after the operands. With the help of stack, you can convert any infix notation to prefix notation, and with the help of stack, you can convert any infix notation to postfix notation, and you can also convert a prefix notation to infix notation and postfix notation to infix notation with the help of stack. These are the four applications. Another application is you can also evaluate, like here we have 5 multiplied by 3 plus 4. Suppose we have this expression. You can also evaluate this expression with the help of stack, and in recursion we also use stack. Okay, so we have different applications. Today our focus is on a conversion, how to convert an infix notation to the postfix notation. Now we have different rules for converting an infix notation to postfix notation. So first we discuss what are the rules. Basically here we use the precedency of operators. So first we discuss the precedence and associativity of the operators. So in precedence, brackets have the highest priority. If in expression there is any bracket, we have to solve the bracket first. After this, second priority is of exponential. If in expression there is any exponential operator, we have to evaluate first the exponential operator after the bracket. And at third place, we have multiplication and division operator. Multiplication and division operator have lower priority as compared to the exponential. If there is any exponential sign in your expression, first we have to evaluate the exponential operator. After that we have to evaluate the multiplication and division operator. Multiplication and division have same priority. If there is tie occur in between the operators, then we have to move from left to right. We have to scan the expression from left to right in that case. And addition and subtraction have the lowest priority as compared to the multiplication, division and exponential operator. So now we discuss by example how to convert an infix expression into the postfix expression. Now we discuss by example. So first I am discussing the example of infix to postfix conversion. So we have this expression a multiply b plus c is in bracket. This one is called left parenthesis, this one is called the right parenthesis, plus b divided by d in brackets multiply a plus z multiply by u. Suppose now all of you know this is the infix expression because operators are in between the operands. Now I convert this infix to postfix conversion. The thing is operators come after the operands. So first we evaluate the brackets because bracket have higher priority. So plus move after the operands here. So it become BC plus. Now this BC plus collectively become single operand. After evaluating, BC plus collectively become the single operand. After this we evaluate this b divided by d bracket. So divide go further. So it become BD division. Rest of the operands and operators we write as such. So a we write as such, multiply we write as such, plus we write as such, this multiply we write as such, a we write as such, plus z multiplied by u. So these two brackets are solved. When the brackets are solved, we remove the brackets. After this, if you analyze, here we have multiply operator, plus operator, multiply operator, plus operator, multiply operator. Now all of you know multiply have higher priority as compared to the plus operator. So first we evaluate the multiplication. Now multiply is in between the A operand and BC plus operand. So this multiply come further. So it become ABC plus multiply. Plus we write as such. Now this multiply is in between BD divide and A operand. So this multiply go further. It become D divide by A, then star. After this we evaluate this multiply go further. It becomes ZU star. Now this collectively become single operand. This collectively become single operand. BD divide A star. This collectively become single operand because we have evaluated in the previous step. After this also becomes single operand. Now we have two operators, one plus operator and second plus operator. So if there is tie is occurred, then we scan the expression from left to right. So first we evaluate this plus operator. So plus move further here. Okay, so it become ABC plus multiply we write as such, then BD divide A star we write as such. Now plus move further here. Now this collectively become single operand and plus ZU star. This is the another operand. So this plus go further. It become ABC plus star BD divide A star plus as such, then ZU star as such, and plus move further. So this is completed. Now we have converted this infix to the postfix expression, but this one is the direct method. But now we perform same conversion using the stack. So if you want to convert infix expression to the postfix conversion, then there are some rules. If you want to implement using the stack, if you want to convert this conversion using the stack, we have some rules. Basically we have 4 rules. This is our first rule, this is our second rule, and we discuss one by one all the rules. Okay, now the first rule is, if a scanned symbol is, suppose we have some expression like A plus B multiplied by C. Suppose this is our suppose this is our expression. Okay, now if a scanned symbol, now first rule is, if a scanned symbol is operand, scanned symbol is operand because in expression we have operands and we have operators. Okay, if now we have to scan this expression from left to right. Okay, if a scanned symbol is operand, now A, B, C are operand. If in an expression scanned symbol, first we scan this A operand, then we scan plus operand, then we scan B, then we scan star, then we scan C, we scan one by one. Okay, if a scanned symbol is operand, then add that operand in postfix expression directly. Okay, so this is our first rule. If A will come, B will come, or C will come, because A, B, C are operand, include these operands as such in the postfix expression. Okay, we discuss by example, then you understand very clearly how to implement or performed these rules. Now second rule is if an operator is scanned. Now if when we scan plus operator or multiply operator, if an operator is scanned, then check the priority of the operator that is already in the stack, because if operator will come, we push the operator in the stack. Okay, depending upon the rule. Okay, if operator is scanned, then we check the priority of the operator that is already in the stack. If that operator have same or higher priority as compared to the scanned operator, then pop that operator from the stack and push the scanned operator in the stack. Now we discuss this rule number 2 by using the example how this rule number 2 is implemented. Okay, so just wait, when we discuss by example, at that time you will clear about this. Now the rule number rule number 3 is this one. This one is our rule number 3. Okay, if left parenthesis is encountered, if left parenthesis means this one is a left parenthesis. If left parenthesis is encountered, push directly into the stack. And if right parenthesis means this right parenthesis is encountered, then pop all operators from the stack until left parenthesis is encountered. Left parenthesis means this one. Until this left parenthesis is encountered, we pop all the operators from the stack. Now these 4 rules we discuss one by one by example. So suppose we have the expression like a suppose we have the expression like a cap b multiply c minus d plus e divide f divide then left parenthesis g plus h then right parenthesis. Suppose this is our expression. Now the first rule is, if you want to convert this expression from infix to postfix conversion, then include the complete expression into left and right parenthesis. Okay, so I include here a left parenthesis and I also include here one right parenthesis. Okay, after this bracket I include the complete expression into left and right parenthesis. Okay, now after this, now what I do, I make 3 columns. Okay, first column is symbol scanned, second column is stack, third column is postfix expression. This is our output. In the scanned symbol, we scan the expression one by one. First we scan capital A, so we write here capital A. Before capital A we have left parenthesis. Okay, so rule number 3 is, if left parenthesis is encountered, push it onto stack. Okay, so here left parenthesis is encountered, so I push this left parenthesis in the stack. Okay, and then we have capital A, so we write capital A. Now capital A is the scan symbol, so I add this capital A as such in the postfix expression. After this, another one is, now the next is we have exponential operator. Now I write in scan symbol I write exponential. Now in the stack right now there is no operator after the left parenthesis, so push this exponential operator into the stack and capital A as such here. Okay, so this is rule number 2. Okay, now we have not compared because there is no operator in the stack. Okay, because exponential is our first operator. After the left parenthesis there is no operator, that's why we first push this exponential operator. After this, now the symbol is capital B, so we write, now capital B is an operand, so we write capital B as such in the postfix expression. Rest of the things are same. After this we have star operator. After this we are scanning star, so after this we have star, after B we have star, so now we are scanning star symbol. Okay, star is an operator, so now rule number 2 is implemented here. Now we check the priority of the operator which is already in the stack. Which operator is already in the stack? Star operator, exponential operator is already in the stack. Now if this operator have same or higher priority, then pop this exponential from the stack and push this star in the stack. So I pop this exponential and I write here I include this in the postfix expression and I push this star operator inside the stack. That is rule number 2. After this, C is encountered, so we write C as such in the expression because C is an operand. After this we have after C we have minus. Okay, now we check the product. Minus is an operator. Now we check the priority of the operator which is already in the stack. Now star have higher priority. Star have higher priority as compared to the minus operator. So we pop the operator that is already in the stack and push the scanned operator inside the stack. So we popped and include the star in the postfix expression and push this minus sign in the stack. Okay, after this D will come. D is an operand, so we write D as such in the postfix expression. Okay, so after this we move further. Now after D we are scanning plus. We are scanning plus and okay, in the last we have minus here. Okay, so now we check the priority of the stack which is already in the stack. Now minus and plus have the same priority. Okay, so we pop this minus from the stack and push plus in the stack. Okay, so minus we write as such here and we push plus operator in the stack. After this we have capital E. Capital E is an operand, so we write capital E as such. After this we have division. Now in the stack we have plus operator. Now plus operator have less priority as compared to the divide sign, so we will not pop this plus operator. So we push this scanned operator inside the stack here. Okay, and same expression we write here. After this we have F. So F is an operand. We write F as such in the postfix expression. After this we have divide. Now divide. Now divide is an operator. So we check the priority of the operator which is already in the stack. Now in the already stack we have division operator. So division have same priority. So we pop this division operator here, and this division we push this division operator in the stack. After this we have left parenthesis. So we push this left parenthesis in the stack, and this expression we write as such. After this we have G operand. So we write G is an operand, so we write this operand as such in the postfix expression. After this we have plus operator. So after the left parenthesis there is no operator, so we push the plus operator in the stack and write this expression as such. After this we have H. So H is an operand. We write H as such in the postfix expression. Now we encounter right parenthesis. This is rule number 4. When right parenthesis is encountered, pop the operators until left parenthesis is encountered. So we pop this plus operator and left and right parentheses are cancelled. Okay, after this we have plus and divide we have left here, and after this we have right parenthesis which I include in the first step. So now we remove, if left parenthesis is encountered, remove pop all the operators which is in the stack until left parenthesis is encountered. So this division is popped, plus is also popped, and this left and right are cancelled. So this is our complete expression. Okay, so I hope all of you clear beta all the 4 rules. Okay. Rule number 1 is, if operand will come, include the operand as such in the expression. Okay, if an operator is scanned, then first check the priority of the operator which is already in the stack. If that operator have same or higher priority, then pop that operator from the stack and push the scanned operator inside the stack. This is rule number 2. And rule number 3 is, If left parenthesis is encountered, push left parenthesis inside the stack, and if right parenthesis is encountered, pop all operators from the stack until left parenthesis is encountered and left and right parentheses are cancelled after this. So all four rules are implemented. Okay, so now I hope all of you clear about the conversion using the stack. Okay, so now I am evaluating postfix expression. Okay, so again there is one algorithm by which you can evaluate the postfix expression directly using the stack. Okay, now the step 1 is scan the expression from left to right, and after this in step 2, if it is an operand, push it into the stack. In step 3, if it is an operator, then pop 2 operands from the stack and perform operation. Okay, I discuss this thing by using the example. Okay, just wait. Here, this is the example. Now first we have to perform the step number 1. Step number 1 is we have to scan this expression from left to right. Okay, now if operand will come, push that operand in the stack. Now 4 is an operand, so push 4 in the stack. 5 is also operand, push 5 into the stack. After this, if operator will come, that is the rule number 3. If operator will come, then pop 2 operands from the stack. So first we pop 5 and I assign the value 5 into a variable. Then I pop b and I assign this second operand into the b variable. And after this you have to perform b operator a. Now which is operator? Operator is plus. So b has a value 4. B has a value 4. Operator is plus. 4 plus 5, it becomes 9. Now push 9 in the stack. That is step number 4. Store the resultant value. Store the resultant value of step 3 back to the stack. That is the rule number 4. Store the output of step 3 back to the stack. First step is scan the expression from left to right. Second step is if operand will come, push it into the stack. Step number 3, if operator will come, pop 2 operands. That is, first operand is A, second operand is B, and perform B operator A. Always perform B operator A. If you perform A operator B, it will wrong. This is wrong. Okay, then correct output will not be produced. Okay, so always perform B operator A. Okay, and in step 4, store the output of step 3 back to the stack. And in step 5, scan the expression until all operands are consumed. Until all operands are consumed. Okay, and after this, pop the stack and perform operation. So now we move here. Okay, so after plus 7 will come. So push 7. Push 7 is an operand. Push 7 into the stack. After 7, 2 will come. So push 2 into the stack. After this, minus will come. Now pop 2 operands from the stack. First I pop 2. Now I store 2 in capital A. Then I store 7 in the capital B and perform B operator A. What is operator? Operator is minus. Now 7 minus 2 is 5. So push 5 into the stack. Okay, after this we have multiplication. Okay, so pop 2 operands from the stack. So first store first operand in capital A, store second operand in capital B, that is 9, and perform B operator A. Now B has a value 9, multiply 5, it becomes 45. Push 45 into the stack. Okay, and then pop this 45 from the stack, because after this there is nothing. So 45 is our answer. Okay, thank you all for watching my video. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my video, then kindly comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.